Visualize your greatest vision and your goals. You see, if you're trying to accomplish your big goals and dreams, one of the best things you can do is to visualize your goals. Immerse yourself in that vision of how life would be like when you have accomplished your goal. Not once in a while or once a day, but as often as you can throughout the day. There's no end to visualizing. The more you visualize that goal, the more you create a burning desire for it. And you can do it no matter where you are, no matter what time of the day. In the book Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill talks about the idea that one of the most important keys to accomplishing your goals is to be able to visualize your goals as if they were a present reality. And you have to repeat this process endlessly. There is no end to it. And in the book Cybernetics, Maxwell Maltz talks about the idea that if you want to accomplish your big goals, you have to play the perfect outcome in your mind exactly as you would like it to play out in real life. And it is totally okay to get lost in that dream, that vision that you have, as if it was happening right now. Involve all your senses. What would you see? What would you hear? What would you taste? What would you smell? What would you touch? All of those. Visualize as often as you can.